In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own barbecue sauce. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. Alright, here's what you're going to need. You need 2 cups of ketchup, 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1½ tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, ½ a teaspoon of garlic powder, ½ a teaspoon of salt, ½ a teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of any hot sauce you like. Put all the ingredients in a pan and stir. Put the flame on medium heat and let it cook until it simmers. Once it's simmering, go ahead and drop the heat down to low. Then let it cook for about 10 minutes. You can store this in an airtight container in the fridge for approximately a week, or you can freeze for up to 3 months. Congratulations, you now know how to make your own barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.